Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify network ACLs in AWS for instance traffic detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify network ACLs in AWS for instance traffic, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the VPC dashboard from the Services menu. In the VPC dashboard, locate the Network ACLs option in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Network ACLs to view a list of your existing ACLs. Identify the network ACL associated with the subnet of your EC2 instance. Select the relevant network ACL to check its details. Look for the Inbound Rules tab to see the rules governing incoming traffic. Analyze each rule to ensure it allows the desired traffic. Check the rule numbers, as they determine the order of evaluation. Next, switch to the Outbound Rules tab to inspect outgoing traffic controls. Ensure the outbound rules are correctly configured to allow responses for your allowed inbound traffic. Take note of any deny rules that could be blocking necessary traffic. Verify the default rule allowing all traffic for both inbound and outbound settings. If you need to modify any rules, click the Edit Rules button. Add or adjust rules based on your traffic needs and security requirements. After making changes, save your modifications to apply the new rules. Return to your EC2 dashboard to check the instance's security group settings as well. Make sure the security group rules complement the network ACL configuration. Test connectivity to your instance to confirm that your configurations work as intended. Monitor the AWS CloudWatch logs for any denied traffic that could indicate misconfigured rules. Document your changes for future reference and compliance. Regularly review your network ACL settings to ensure they align with your evolving security policies. By following these steps, you can effectively verify network ACLs for instance traffic within AWS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.